Ixnay, Ixnay.
I'm looking for a murderer. A rabbit. A tune, rabbit. About yay big.
Look, there's no rabbit here, so don't harass my customers.
I didn't come here to harass. I came here to reward.
Hey, I seen a rabbit. Where?
You see?
Where? He's right here in the bar.
Well, say hello,
Harvey.
I told you so.
Merry-go-round broke down. Quite a loony selection for a group of drunken reprobates.
He's here.
Stop that laughing! Have you forgotten what happened last time? If you don't stop this laughing, you're gonna end up dead, just like an idiot Hyena Cousins!
Say, boss, you want we should disassemble the place?
No, Sergeant. Disassembling the place won't be necessary. A rabbit is going to come right to me. No tune can resist the old shave and a haircut trick.
I don't know who's told you. You are doomed. Roger. Roger, no!